Welcome to JH. I decided to give Kong XXL pills a shot because, apparently, my natural charisma wasn't doing enough heavy lifting for my stamina and performance. After sticking to a routine, I noticed my energy levels during workouts and daily life actually felt reliable for once. It provided a steady drive throughout the day without making me feel like I'd just inhaled 5 espressos and a lightning bolt. It is truly a miracle when a supplement doesn't turn you into a vibrating mess of anxiety. The real difference showed up in my endurance and that rare, elusive motivation to actually push harder. Plus, it didn't come with any of those unpleasant side effects that usually make you regret your life choices with other products. It actually felt like a decent fit for my body and routine. Another highlight of Kong XXL is how it supports vitality in a steady, natural way rather than acting like a desperate quick fix. Because we all know a pill named after a giant gorilla is the peak of subtle, natural wellness. I found that it significantly supported my recovery, keeping me from feeling like a discarded dishcloth after a long day or a tough session. That consistency is exactly what makes it worth it, because as we know, showing up is half the battle, and staying awake for it is the other half. Overall, it is a solid product that delivers on energy and performance in a way that is actually practical. It is almost shocking when a product actually does what the bottle claims it will.